In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a one-page website in WordPress in just 5 steps. We'll do this right inside the WordPress site editor, using the home template as our single page and tidying up extra pages so visitors see one clean, focused experience. To begin, open your WordPress dashboard and head into the site editor, then load your home template. You should now see your home page in edit mode. Next, open the editor's sidebar so you can access the site structure. Click the highlighted icon or panel on the left to reveal the navigation menu. From here, choose Pages. This view shows all the pages your site currently has. For a true one-page setup, you'll keep Home and remove any extra pages you don't need, like About or Contact, depending on your content plan. Select the page you want to remove by clicking the highlighted page in the list. With it selected, look for the Trash option and click it to move that page to the trash. WordPress will ask you to confirm. You'll see a prompt that says something like, "Are you sure you want to move About to the trash?" Confirm to proceed. Depending on your theme or editor state, you might see the confirmation prompt a second time. Simply confirm again. If you change your mind, you can click Cancel to keep the page. I'll cancel here to show that you can safely back out if you're not ready. Tip: trashed pages can usually be restored from the Pages screen later, so don't worry if you misclick. Now, return to the main editor view using the highlighted navigation at the top left. If the sidebar is still open, you can use it to navigate. Otherwise, click the highlighted menu to get back. Choose your home template again, so you're editing the one page you plan to keep live. With home loaded, take a quick moment to scan your sections: Hero, Services, Testimonials, Contact. So everything essential is on this single page. If you removed other pages, make sure any menu links now point to on-page anchors or are removed to avoid broken links. When everything looks good, click Save in the top right. WordPress may show a summary of what's changing. Confirm to save all. Finally, click Launch to publish your one-page site so it's visible to visitors. If Launch appears as a final confirmation or publish step, proceed, and your changes go live. That's it. You've used the site editor to focus your website into a single stream